Hi, I'm John Pagano, and welcome to this quick tour of the 2023 Sunseeker 2550LE. This floor plan boasts a fiberglass front cap, Asdel substrates, slide toppers on both slides, and a 7,500-pound hitch. This is a very unique floor plan for us because it's a flush floor plan. What I mean by that is there's no step up into the bedroom. Let's take a look inside and highlight some of the layouts of this 2550 and some of the features. So as you can see, this layout's a little bit unique. It's got a ton of countertop space in the refrigerator right when you walk in the door. So it's a little bit reverse of most of our floor plans, but notice what I talked about outside. This huge flush floor all the way back. So no step up into the bedroom, which I really love. You've got your sofa and your dinette flipped from most of our conventional side-by-side dinette sofa floor plans. And the reason we've done that is because we have our main television back here in the kitchen, a 40-inch 12-volt television, instead of being in the bunk area. So everybody can see this, even from the bunk. You do have storage behind here as well, and that's actually where you're going to access your Wi-Fi prep, which is something that is standard on Sunseeker LE. As you move towards the back of the floor plan, again, a queen walk-around bed in this floor plan. Really easy to get around to make the bed, really comfortable space. And then we give you a full, what I call a side aisle bathroom, meaning everything in one spot. You've got your shower, you've got your sink, and you've got your toilet in one space. So this floor plan, again, is a Sunseeker LE 2550. For more information about this floor plan or any other Sunseeker floor plan, please visit us at foresterbrink.com or visit us on our YouTube channel or Facebook page. Thanks for joining us.